Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Litmatch account. So if you also want to log into Litmatch account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Litmatch is a platform where you can find friends and match online. So if you also want to enjoy this experience, first of all, you'll have to log into your account. So first of all, launch open Litmatch application. You can see over here Litmatch is opened. You can see pop-up over here. This pop-up is for direct login. You can simply tap on your account and log into your account. If you haven't created account, you can simply tap on the options like Facebook or Google and create the account for you. If your login is failed, you can simply tap on the option login failed at the top right corner. So if you have already created the account, go ahead and tap on direct login. You can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. All you have to do is tap on your account. You can see over here you're logged into your account. So that is how you log in Litmatch account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.